The foldable phone market is on the verge of welcoming a bold and ambitious new competitor that has the potential to completely transform the landscape. Introducing the Nothing Fold 1, a revolutionary device that aspires to set new standards and redefine our expectations for foldable smartphones. This innovative concept is the brainchild of the London-based tech brand responsible for the groundbreaking Phone 1 and Phone 2, both of which made waves for their distinctive designs and forward-thinking technology. In this video, we'll dive into what makes the Nothing Fold 1 stand out from the crowd, and explore the reasons behind the growing excitement it has sparked within the tech community. The first thing worth highlighting is the innovative and distinctive design language envisioned for this device. This concept render, meticulously crafted by renowned industrial designer Sering Shet, remains faithful to the brand's iconic visual identity, ensuring that its essence is immediately recognizable. A key highlight of the design is the integration of the Glyph LED lighting system, which has long been a signature feature of the brand. In a bold and creative twist, this lighting system has now been extended to include the hinge of the foldable design, creating a harmonious blend of technology and artistry. This addition is particularly groundbreaking, as most brands tend to concentrate solely on the mechanical aspects of foldable hinges, while this concept takes it a step further by combining functionality with striking aesthetics. The LED lit hinge not only enhances the overall look, but also introduces a practical feature. It could potentially serve as a notification bar or even a secondary display, reminiscent of the edge displays that were once a defining characteristic of older Samsung flagship models. The device is specifically engineered to showcase the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9000 400 chipset, a cutting-edge processor built to handle complex tasks with ease. This state-of-the-art chipset is equipped with an 8-core CPU that delivers exceptional speed and efficiency, alongside a robust 12-core GPU that ensures outstanding graphics performance for gaming and other visually intensive applications. Additionally, it features a neural processing unit, NPU, dedicated to AI-based tasks, enabling smarter functionality and smoother user experiences even during the most demanding applications. To complement this high-performance chipset, the device is paired with an impressive 16 GB of RAM, which ensures lightning-fast performance and effortless multitasking for both productivity and entertainment. Furthermore, the device offers a stunning dual-screen setup. The outer display measures 6.5 inches when folded, making it compact and convenient for daily use, while the inner screen expands to an extraordinary 8.37 inches when unfolded. This larger display transforms the device into a tablet-like experience, perfect for immersive entertainment, creative tasks, or enhanced productivity. The render hints at an impressive total of 5 cameras on the device, including 3 positioned on the rear, a primary shooter for versatile photography, an ultra-wide lens for expansive shots, and a telephoto or macro lens for detailed close-ups. Complementing these are 2 front-facing cameras cleverly integrated into punch-hole cutouts on both the outer and inner screens, offering a seamless design. Driving this innovative device is a powerful 5,500 mAh battery paired with an energy-efficient chipset to ensure long-lasting performance. Furthermore, wireless charging makes a welcome return, featuring support for the 15W QITWO wireless charging standard. The device is anticipated to operate on the brand's cutting-edge software NothingOS 3, delivering a smooth and intuitive user experience. The concept portrays a premium aesthetic characterized by a durable metal frame, complemented by sleek glass panels on both the front and back. This carefully chosen combination of materials not only enhances the device's robustness, but also elevates its overall elegance. The design is expected to retain the minimalist gray finish seen in previous models, adding a touch of sophistication to its appearance. Additionally, the placement of the power and volume buttons is thoughtfully designed for optimal ergonomics, ensuring ease of use whether the device is in its open or closed configuration. This attention to detail underscores the device's commitment to both functionality and style. One of the standout features of this concept is the redesigned Glyph interface, which undergoes a major transformation compared to its previous iterations. In this new version, the Glyph evolves beyond being merely a decorative static lighting element. It now functions as a dynamic, interactive display embedded along the spine of the device. This innovative addition allows the Glyph to serve multiple purposes, such as acting as a ticker tape to showcase real-time notifications, or providing a compact secondary screen for quick and convenient updates. states, making it both visually striking and highly functional. Another prominent aspect of this concept is the company's dedication to sustainability, which is clearly visible in its eco-conscious design choices. The device is imagined to be crafted using recycled materials, paired with packaging that is not only biodegradable, but also environmentally friendly. These thoughtful decisions reflect the brand's strong commitment to reducing its ecological footprint. By integrating sustainable practices into the product's design, the concept appeals strongly to consumers who prioritize environmental responsibility, further enhancing its overall desirability. Although this concept has captured the imagination of many, it is crucial to understand that it currently exists solely as a design vision, with no official timeline or release date confirmed by the creators. However, if this innovative idea is eventually brought to reality, its anticipated price point of $1,018 could position it as one of the most budget-friendly foldable devices available on the market. We'd love to hear your opinions about this exciting concept. Share your thoughts and ideas with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you stay updated on the latest news and developments in the tech world.